In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix destination folder already exists. There are instances you install a plugin or a theme in your WordPress website, and with one reason or the other, the plugin or the theme will not be able to install. If you try to install it again, you may get this error message. And with this, it will be very difficult to install such a plugin or the theme. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix this error when you encounter it in your WordPress website. So to do that, I'll go over to my hosting account. I scroll down to System Information and Files, depending upon the kind of hosting you are using. I am using Asura hosting, and I'll leave a link to Asura hosting in the description down below. It is an affiliate link. If you click on it to buy from Asura, I'll earn a commission. So I click on File Manager. So whichever hosting platform you are using, try to locate File Manager as soon as you log in. So I click on File Manager. Now I'm going to locate a folder where I'll find my plugins or my themes, depending upon whichever problem you have encountered. So I'll go to public/HTML folder, open it up. Next, I'll go to content folder and then plugins. So this is the plugin I am trying to install, and I'm getting the error. As you can see here, Elementor page builder. So I'll go back in here, select the folder, and anywhere around you see an option to delete. With Asura, I'll have to click on the three dots here, then I'll click on remove. Now I don't want to take it to the trash, so if I toggle this off, the folder will be deleted completely from my system. So I click on remove and it is gone. So let me go back to the plugins area and refresh my web page. So the error message is gone, and you can now go ahead and install your plugin. I hope this video was helpful. If you found value, kindly hit the like button, subscribe, and also enable the notification bell so that each time I post a new video on this channel, you'll be the first to know. Keep watching and we will talk soon.